Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture, we'll study about the difference between plant cell and animal cell. The plant cell is generally enclosed by a cell wall. The plant cell is covered by a cell wall. That is the presence of cell wall. But in animal cell wall is absent, means the animal cell lack a cell wall. That is cell wall, presence of cell wall, and here in animal cell there is absence of cell wall. The limiting layer is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane. The outer limiting layer is the plasma membrane in case of animal cell. In plant cell, the neighboring cells are joined by plasmodesmata. The structure plasmodesmata. So this is a fine protoplasmic channel that joins the neighboring cells. This plasmodesmata connects the adjacent plant cells, and this same function is carried out by gap junction in case of animal cell. The next point, the shape. If we look at the shape of the plant and animal cell, the plant cell generally rectangular or polygonal in shape, and it is because of the presence of a rigid cell wall. The plant cell shape becomes rectangular or polygonal. The animal cells are mostly spherical or circular. In plant cell, a large central vacuole is present. Vacuole is present that occupy most of the spaces of the cell cytoplasm. But in animal cell, vacuoles may either be absent. The vacuoles may be absent, or if present, so they become numerous. They are many in numbers, and the size of the vacuoles are very small. The vacuoles smaller in size. Then we'll see the position of the nucleus. The position of nucleus in plant cell is peripheral. The nucleus is located in peripheral position. So it is due to the presence of central vacuole. The large central vacuole pushes the nucleus towards periphery. So the nucleus is peripheral in position, but in animal cell, the nucleus is central. In plant cell, Golgi body are in scattered form. Golgi body is found in scattered. The Golgi body is found in scattered form called dictyosome. In case of plant cell, it is called dictyosome. But in case of animal cells, the Golgi body are in aggregated form. The Golgi body are in aggregated form in animal cell. In plant cell, the mitosis, that is the type of cell division. Mitosis is anastral type. Anastral type means no aster is formed. In plant cell, we know that centrosome or centriole is absent. Since centriole is absent, there is no aster is formed in plant cell during cell division. But in animal cell, the mitosis is astral type, means aster is formed. The microtubular rays or stars are formed around the centriole. The plant cell can synthesize all amino acids, vitamins, Vitamins and coenzymes, but in animal cell, the animal cell cannot synthesize all amino acids. So we take the plant product to fulfill this requirement. The plant animal cell cannot synthesize all these amino acids, vitamins, and coenzymes. In plant cell, the reserve food substance is starch. The starch is the reserve food substance, and in animal cell, oil, oil and glycogen is the reserve food substance. And another important point that the plant cell possesses chloroplast. The plant cells, that is plastids. Plastids are present in plant cell. So one type of plastid is the chloroplast. Because of the presence of chloroplast, the plant cell can photosynthesize and produce a starch. But in animal cell, plastids are absent. The next point, that is about the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. After the nuclear division, cytokinesis occurs, and this cytokinesis takes place by cell plate method. Cell plate method in plant cells. So here cytokinesis is facilitated by the vesicles arise from Golgi apparatus, are laid down in the middle, they form phragmoplast, and this phragmoplast grow centrifugally and form a cell plate. And but in animal cell, cytokinesis takes place by cell furrow method. A invagination of the membrane occurs in the middle, and this invagination grow deep and finally breaks the cell into two cells. So in plant cell, cytokinesis takes place by cell plate method. In animal cell, cytokinesis takes place by cell furrow method. So this is about the difference between plant cell and animal cell. So I hope this topic is understood by you, and if you like this video, must subscribe my channel. Thanks.